So, itong Shelter of the Broken, nagsimula ito bilang isang rambling. Lahat naman tayo, I'm sure, di ba, pag may nararamdaman tayo, ilalagay natin yun sa papel, tama? Sinusulat natin yung mga nararamdaman natin. And it was during the pandemic when I started writing, wala pang title that time, when I started writing what I was feeling. I wrote it a few days after I wanted to, end things. I'm sure most of you know naman, I have depression. And during the pandemic, I really felt like wala na akong purpose sa buhay because I lost my work. And malaking bagay sa identity ko, sa pagkakakilala ko kung sino ako, ay ang trabaho ko. At yung ability ko to provide for my family. And because I lost my work, I felt like, ano bang purpose ko dito sa mundo, di ba? And then, it was just there. It was just on my laptop. And hindi ko alam, nalimutan ko nga kung paano nangyari, but I showed it to, our producer Jonathan. And then parang, and sabi niya, he knows the right person to make sense of all the chaos that I wrote there. And it was Trisha Denise, an amazing, very young, but amazing songwriter who helped me basically put structure, and she wrote the music, which is very, very beautiful. So I hope you like the song, and more than liking it, I hope that sana doon sa mga panahon na feeling niyo wala kayong mga kapitan, sa mga panahon na feeling niyo lost kayo, I hope this song will help remind you that there's always hope.